Welcome to this detailed guide on adding a static HTML page to your WordPress website in a few simple minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, navigate to the relevant settings, and configure your site so that it displays a static page as the home page. To begin, make sure you have your WordPress homepage open in your web browser. When you are ready, locate the login option typically found at the top right corner of the WordPress site. Clicking on login will take you to the authentication area where you can begin the process of signing into your account. Once you have clicked on login, you will see multiple options for signing in. Instead of typing in a username and password manually, you are encouraged to click on the option to continue with your Google account. This option simplifies the process by allowing you to log in using your existing Google credentials. When you click on continue with Google, your browser may prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use if you have multiple accounts signed in. Simply select the appropriate account and you will be authenticated. This makes managing your website much faster and more secure. Now that you have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard, it is time to configure the site settings. Begin by navigating to the settings section. This is typically found by clicking on a link that will direct you to the general options of your WordPress website. In the URL, you might see a domain reference such as Heck Media WordPress, but you do not need to worry about the details of the URL. Instead, focus on the content being displayed as you enter the settings area. Here you will be presented with a range of configuration options that control various aspects of your site. Within the settings menu, look for the option that says Reading. The reading section is essential because it controls what visitors see when they first arrive at your website. Once you have clicked on Reading, you will be taken to a page where you can adjust how your home page is presented. As you review the settings, you will notice that there is a section labeled Your Home Page Displays. This is where you determine whether your front page shows your latest posts or a static page. In this guide, you will be switching the default setting to use a static page as your home page. To do this, select the option labeled A Static Page. Doing so prepares your WordPress site to display a specific HTML page that you have created, ensuring that visitors hitting your homepage see a static design rather than a stream of posts. After selecting a static page, you need to choose from a list of available pages which one you want to use as your homepage. Simply select the appropriate page from the drop-down menu provided in the options. Finally, once you have confirmed your desired homepage, scroll to the bottom of the Reading Settings page and click on the Save Changes button. This important step ensures that all of the modifications you have made to your website are applied. Taking a moment to review all of your selections ensures that your site configuration is correct and that the static page will display as intended when visitors access your site. By following these instructions carefully, you will have successfully configured your WordPress website to display a static HTML page as the home page. The process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to quickly customize the look and feel of your website without delving into unnecessary complications. Enjoy the streamlined process of having a static page represent your website's front door.